Are you ready to step inside the world of extravagance and innovation? Imagine a life where luxury knows no bounds, where every day is a thrilling adventure in opulence. Today, we're taking you on a captivating journey into the realm of one of the world's most brilliant minds and wealthiest visionaries. Buckle up, because in this 6 to 8 minute exploration, we're delving deep into the luxurious lifestyle of the one and only Elon Musk. Hey there, fellow explorers of the extraordinary. Welcome back to our channel, the place where we unravel the mysteries of the world's most fascinating individuals and lifestyles. Today, we have an exclusive pass to the grandeur that surrounds Elon Musk, the billionaire entrepreneur and visionary extraordinaire. When you think of Elon Musk, what comes to mind? Tesla's cutting-edge electric cars, SpaceX's interstellar ambitions, or perhaps even Neuralink's mind-boggling technology? Yes, he's not just a household name, he's a pioneer in multiple industries, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. But have you ever wondered what life is like behind those high-tech ventures, beyond the headlines and press conferences? Today, we're going to peel back the curtain and explore the lavish lifestyle that Elon Musk leads. From multi-million-dollar homes to rare and awe-inspiring vehicles, from private jets to philanthropic endeavors, we're about to embark on a journey that will leave you both inspired and amazed. So, fasten your seatbelts, because it's time to delve deep into the luxury lifestyle of Elon Musk. Let's get started. Early life and rise to wealth. Now, let's rewind the clock and dive into the early chapters of Elon Musk's life. Born in Pretoria, South Africa, in 1971, Elon's journey to becoming a household name was nothing short of remarkable. His insatiable curiosity and thirst for knowledge were evident from a young age. After all, it was during his early years that he developed a profound interest in computing and technology. Elon's educational path was marked by brilliance. He pursued degrees in both physics and economics, showcasing his multidisciplinary approach to problem-solving, a trait that would later define his success. But what truly set him apart was his entrepreneurial spirit. In the late 90s, he co-founded Zip2, a company that provided business directories and maps for newspapers. The sale of Zip2 would eventually net Elon Musk a cool $22 million, laying the foundation for his incredible journey ahead. But Elon wasn't content with just one success. He went on to co-found X.com, which later became PayPal, revolutionizing online payments. PayPal was a game-changer, and its sale to eBay earned Elon another substantial windfall. With a knack for turning innovative ideas into gold mines, Musk embarked on his most audacious ventures yet, including Tesla, SpaceX, and more. These enterprises didn't just make him wealthy, they made an icon of innovation and ambition. Homes and real estate. Fast forward to the present day, and Elon Musk's opulent lifestyle is evident in his choice of homes. He's not your average homeowner by any means. Musk's real estate portfolio includes stunning properties in sought-after locations, such as the exclusive neighborhood of Bel Air, California, and the vast expanses of Texas. In Bel Air, Elon owns a sprawling mansion that boasts breathtaking views, a state-of-the-art home theater, and a colossal wine cellar that could rival any upscale winery. And let's not forget his Texas ranch, which spans thousands of acres and serves as a private oasis where he can escape the hustle and bustle of the tech world. Let's take a virtual tour and get a glimpse of the lavish interiors, luxurious amenities, and the sheer grandeur of these properties. Expensive toys and transportation. Now, let's shift gears and explore Elon Musk's fascination with high-end transportation. You've probably heard of Tesla. Elon's involvement with Tesla isn't just as a CEO, it's also as an enthusiast. His personal collection of Tesla models is nothing short of impressive. From the sleek Model S to the futuristic Cybertruck, Musk's garage is a testament to his commitment to sustainable transportation. But that's not all. Elon's passion for transportation extends beyond Earth's boundaries. As the visionary behind SpaceX, he's working tirelessly to make space travel a reality for humanity. His ambitious projects, like the Starship spacecraft and Mars colonization plans, are nothing short of awe-inspiring. Extravagant travel and adventures. While we're on the topic of transportation, let's talk about how Elon Musk jets around the globe. No, he doesn't fly commercial. Elon owns his private jet, a Gulfstream G650ER. This flying masterpiece allows him to travel in style and comfort, and it's equipped with all the amenities you'd expect in a luxury aircraft. But what truly sets Elon apart is his vision for the future of travel. His SpaceX Starship, designed for interplanetary missions, could revolutionize long-distance travel on Earth as well. Imagine going from New York to Shanghai in under an hour. It may sound like science fiction, but with Musk at the helm, it could become a reality sooner than you think. Philanthropy and giving back. Beyond the glitz and glamour, Elon Musk is not just about personal gain. He's about making a positive impact on the world. His philanthropic efforts have been noteworthy, with substantial contributions to various causes and projects. Musk has pledged to give away the majority of his wealth during his lifetime, a commitment that's both commendable and inspiring. From supporting initiatives to combat climate change to donating millions to improve education, Musk is using his wealth to address global issues and drive positive change. Work-life balance and personal life. Elon Musk's work ethic is legendary. He's known for putting in long hours, tirelessly working towards his vision of a sustainable and interplanetary future. But what's equally fascinating is how he balances this demanding work schedule with his personal life. Elon is a father and is actively involved in his children's lives. He's been open about the challenges of balancing his responsibilities at SpaceX and Tesla with spending quality time with his family. It's a reminder that even the most driven individuals can find ways to prioritize what truly matters in life. Inspiring lessons from Elon Musk's lifestyle. As we wrap up our journey into the luxury lifestyle of Elon Musk, it's important to reflect on the lessons we can draw from his extraordinary life. Elon's story is a testament to the power of innovation, perseverance, and an unwavering commitment to one's vision. So, what can we take away from Musk's lifestyle? Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur, a space enthusiast, or simply someone with big dreams, remember that even the most audacious goals are attainable with dedication, resilience, and a willingness to push the boundaries of what's possible. Thank you for joining us on this incredible exploration of Elon Musk's luxury lifestyle. If you found this video as fascinating as we did, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more captivating journeys into the lives of remarkable individuals. Until next time, keep dreaming big, stay inspired, and never stop reaching for the stars.